Back again, YouTubers. Thought I'd post a quick video of the engine on my 2002 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am WS6. That way you could take a look at how I debaffled the ram air hood on the WS6. And I also bought these little funnels that kind of allow the air to go in there better. So as you can see, there's no baffles. It's just straight shot. So this is where the baffle was, like a piece of plastic, like a little wall, kind of blocks the air from going in there all the way. But you just remove it, and then you'll have to get the these little, I think, funnels or something like that. Somebody online makes them. I think I got them on the LS1 tech forums. Somebody made them. They're actually pretty nice. The only thing is that they do, I don't know, they're kind of starting to peel here a little bit. That might be from the engine heat. But yeah, I mean, they kind of direct the airflow better after you debaffle the hood, which is nice. So kind of, like I said, straight shots it, into the air intake here. Of course, this is the Volant one. So the air, kind of goes in better with the Volant intake compared to the stock one. But yeah, but you can see, when I bought it, it came with the LS1 Corvette fuel rail covers. I was thinking about changing them. I wanted to, fill this in and stuff, and put, the Corvette, remove the Corvette and put Trans Am on there. But I was looking online, and it looks like this style, the 97 one, I think is from the 97 Corvettes. They got the two, the two cutouts here. I can't find them online anymore, so I might just leave them on there and just leave them the way it is. But yeah, it is a LS1, so but I kind of wanted to put Trans Am on there, but it is what it is. I'll see in the future. But yeah, hopefully soon, I'll get a cam in here and post a video of how it sounds, like a before and after of it. Yeah, and then you can see here, this is where the sender is for the temp sender for the map light. For the mirror, the Gentex mirror, with the compass and the temp. So that's where I've ended up putting the temperature sensor. But yeah, so you can see what I got. It's got a PowerMaster AD244 alternator. I forgot how much it puts. It puts a lot out. I think it's like 220 max, 160 at idle. I ended up going with that because I had the CS, I think CS, what is it? I forgot. It's PowerMaster alternator 2, but that one, it couldn't keep up with the electric fans. Oh yeah, I got this one. It's 160 thermostat. PCM's tuned for the fans to kick on, I think at 175 or 180, I think, low fans, and then the high fans kick on at 185. So when I had it with that other alternator, I think it's a CS 130, I think, D, can't remember, but that one, it couldn't keep up with it, so I ended up going to the AD244. That one's a lot better. And I also upgraded the battery cables, so big 3 definitely helps out a lot better. So yeah, I just want to post it, that way if you guys want to, do the same thing, you're having charging problems, upgrade the battery cables, the big 3, and then go for that alternator, a PowerMaster AD244, where no issues at all with the charging, so it's a lot better. But yep, well, hope you enjoyed it. All right, I'm out. Take care.